Hi, welcome to Educators. In this video, we'll see TensorFlow Basics. For that, I'm going to import two libraries, TensorFlow and Numpy library. Now Shift Enter. Now let's create some basic tensors. Rank 0 tensor. Here I have created two rank 0 tensors A and B. We are going to print those things. Now we can see here the output, two tensors A and B. Here A1 is a rank 1 tensor. A rank 1 tensor is like a list of values and it has one axis. Now if you run, you can see here A1 is a rank 1 tensor. Now A2 is a rank 2 tensor. It has two axes. Tensor can have more axes, more than two axes. Now you can convert a tensor to a NumPy array by using np.array. And another way of converting the tensor to NumPy array is by using tensor.numpy method. So there are two methods to convert a tensor to a NumPy array. Now here you can see an array. A1 earlier it was a tensor, now it is an array. We have converted it by using np.array. The other way here is we can go with tensor.numpy. Here our tensor is, we'll go with A2. A2 is dot numpy. Now here we have converted this rank 2 tensor to an array. Now here we are seeing indexing. It is single axis indexing. TensorFlow follows standard Python indexing rules and also the basic rules for NumPy indexing. Indices starts at 0. Negative indices counts backwards from the end. Now here B of 0, which is starting position. So I am starting at 0. I want to print 1. Now B of -1, negative index, it counts backwards, that is from the end. I should get the output as 1 and 8. Yes, you can see here B of 0, from the forward direction we are trying to get the elements, and coming to 8, this we got 8 because we are giving here as -1. Higher rank tensors are indexed by passing multiple indexes. Now here A2 is a tensor of rank 2. So we are passing the indices as 1, 1. Now if you run this, you can see the value 4. At the index location 1, 1, the value located here is 4. We can do basic math on tensors, including addition, element-wise multiplication, and matrix multiplication. And some other operations can also be performed. Here on tensors are used in all kinds of operations. If you look here, I have taken tf.add a2, a3. We are adding the matrix a2 with a3. And next we are multiplying here element-wise multiplication, and coming to matmul, it is matrix multiplication. And the other function here I have taken is argument max. So coming to the argument max, here it is going to return the maximum index value, and reduce max is going to return the maximum value. Okay. Now if you see here, you can see an error here. Somewhere I made a mistake. Yes, here I have made a syntax error. So right now shift enter. Now successfully got executed. Now you can see here arg max a2 is going to give the largest number index in the tensor a2. If you go to the tensor a2 here, I'm having 4, which is located at the index position 1 comma 1. So it is returning 1 comma 1. The largest element in A2 here is 4. So we got 4 here. The other two are addition, multiplication, that is element wise multiplication, and the other is matrix multiplication. So these are the basics of Tensor. Thank you for watching.